If you haven't watched the quadruple treble crochet stitch video, make sure you watch that first. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine that with a cluster stitch. So first we're going to do a beginning cluster stitch, and that's going to start with a chain 7. And then turn our work, and we're going to work a 2 quadruple treble cluster stitch in that same stitch. So it's yarn over 5 times. Insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, 2 loops on your hook, 2 loops on your hook, and 2 loops on your hook. We now have 2 loops remaining. Yarn over 5 times. Insert your hook in that same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, 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 2 loops on your hook. We now have 3 loops remaining on our hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So this is a beginning 3 quadruple treble cluster stitch, meaning it's a chain 7 and a 2 quadruple treble cluster stitch, and combined they're the equivalent of a 3 cluster stitch. So let's I'm going to do a couple of chains to make some space here. And then in this stitch, I'm going to work a 3 quadruple treble cluster stitch. So we begin with yarn over your hook 5 times. Insert your hook in the specified stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook 5 times. Okay, then let's repeat that in the same stitch 2 more times. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. I'm going to do a couple of chains to make some space, and let's do that one more time. And that's how you make a 3 quadruple treble cluster stitch. Follow the link in the video description to watch more tutorial videos on all sorts of other crochet stitches. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.